If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, then you most probably have heard about crypto coins and tokens. In everyday terminology, you might think they're the same thing, but they're actually not. There are some huge core differences between them, and since you're interested in cryptocurrency, you might as well start by knowing how to differentiate the two. It's critical to understand the difference between crypto coins and tokens if you're new to blockchain and cryptocurrencies. While they are used similarly in conversation, they differ in several important ways. A non-tangible item that is created, traded, and stored in a digital format is referred to as a digital asset. Cryptocurrency and crypto tokens are examples of digital assets in the context of blockchain. You're familiar with these two terms, but do you know what sets them apart? How different are crypto coins from tokens? How do you see a coin, and how is it different from a token's usage? From blockchains to a few examples, here are some of the differences between crypto coins and tokens. Hello, welcome to the channel. We hope you're doing well. This is Upstep Financial, where you can get the most effective, efficient, and excellent finance tricks and tips that you need to get yourself familiar with the finance world. Here, we share ideas and information about cryptocurrency, investments, growth stocks, and more. We do our best to bring you only the most up-to-date and beneficial info in the finance world. So if you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video, please tap the thumbs up button. Subscribe to be updated on more videos like this one. In the world of cryptocurrencies, distinguishing between coins and tokens is an arduous task. Even though these phrases are frequently interchanged, they refer to two distinct concepts in the cryptocurrency world. While it is not really illegal to apply these terms interchangeably, it is necessary to have a thorough understanding of coins and tokens to understand the future of crypto and blockchain better. So before we start with this video, we'd like to give brief information regarding crypto coins and tokens. Crypto coins and tokens are special kinds of digital assets that use cryptography, an advanced encryption method that ensures the legitimacy of crypto assets by preventing counterfeiting and double spending. With these two, you'll be safe from any untoward and unfortunate events in your usage with them. It's an excellent and safe way to use it in the world of cryptocurrency. But as we said before, many people are not so familiar with how to differentiate the two. Others might think that they're the same thing, but they're not. That's why in this video, we'll show you the biggest differences between crypto coins and tokens. We'll also give you a few examples so that you will be more familiar with them. Through this video, you'll have a vaster knowledge that will help you out as you start on your step in the world of cryptocurrency. So, what sets crypto coins and tokens apart? Why are they so different from each other? How would you use them? We'll answer those questions for you, so let's begin. They're blockchains. This is probably the most evident and technical difference between crypto coins and tokens. Coins and tokens are the two most common blockchain-based digital assets. The main distinction is that crypto coins have their own blockchains, whereas crypto tokens are created on top of an existing blockchain. To explain it in simpler terms, let's put it this way. Let's say that you want to have a huge heart-shaped swimming pool to indulge yourself in for the summer. So how would you achieve that? You could choose from two options. First, you could pay some workers, buy the materials and tools needed, and set up your backyard where your pool would be. In short, you're going to install the heart-shaped swimming pool in your own residence. However, your hard work won't end there because you would still have to do some maintenance on it, like cleaning the pool every few weeks or so, among other things. That sounds like a lot of work. So, what's the other way to do this? You can simply find a resort with a heart-shaped pool on the internet and then book it for how long you'd like to stay and then pay. It's that simple. Similarly, crypto coins and tokens can be differentiated by this analogy. Coins have their own existing blockchains, much like how you would have your own pool and maintain it. Tokens, however, are created on top of an existing blockchain. Tokens use the blockchain of coins and pay in return, which is pretty much like similar to the analogy of simply booking a resort with a heart-shaped pool and paying afterward. Did you understand the pool analogy and how it relates to tokens and coins? For any questions or clarifications, please comment down below. How are they used? Aside from the fact that they have their own existing blockchains, it doesn't end there. They also have very distinct and different ways in how they can be used. Crypto coins are commonly used as money in the same way that physical coins are. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Monero can be compared to the coins in your wallet. They are frequently used just for the goal of making money. These cash-only coins can be used to send money, store value, or serve as a unit of account. To provide a clearer picture, we'll use Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin can be used to pay for goods and services on the internet and in many physical locations. You can keep it for a long time and nothing will happen to it. You can later trade it for something of comparable worth. Aside from these monetary usages, Bitcoin has no other uses. It cannot be staked to earn more Bitcoins, nor does it have to be utilized to run a certain application. It is only used as a means of exchange. Tokens, however, are used quite differently. The majority of tokens are designed to work with decentralized applications or dApps. Developers can choose how many units they want to manufacture and where these new tokens will be transferred when they are created when they create their token. Then they will pay some of the native coins on the blockchain on which the token is being created. Tokens are frequently used to enable the functionality of the program for which they were built. Music Coin, for example, is a token that grants users access to various aspects of the Music Coin platform. This could be anything, such as watching a music video or listening to a song on the internet. Some tokens are made for a completely different reason, like representing a tangible object. Let's imagine you wanted to use a smart contract to sell your home. Isn't it true that you can literally place your house into a smart contract? No. As a result, you can use a token to represent your home instead. WePower is an excellent example of a token representing a physical object, in this case, electricity. The WePower project is a decentralized application that allows users to purchase and sell electricity using smart contracts on the blockchain. Its symbol denotes a specific amount of energy. How are they made? Coding is used to create crypto coins. When transactions are confirmed by mining, new currencies are created in many circumstances. While some cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, employ mining to generate new coins, others do not. Coins can be created in various methods. The programming that defines a cryptocurrency's creation process determines how coins are created. For example, instead of mining or mining alone, a cryptocurrency might create some tokens as a developer rewards upon launch, or it might reward tokens as an interest to token holders. As a result, the major way new coins are created for most cryptocurrencies is by people all over the world operating hardware that adds transactions to the blockchain. Additionally, other methods in a cryptocurrency's software create tokens. Furthermore, the source code for practically all cryptocurrencies is open to the public, allowing anybody to see how coins are made. While the creation process for a coin may sound quite complicated, the creation process of tokens is not as much. To create tokens, the developer will need to spend some of the native currency on the blockchain where the token will be created. For example, if the token is produced on Ethereum, the creator will need to spend some Ether for the network's miners to validate the token transaction. It's important to understand that all token transactions on a blockchain, not simply the creation of the token, need payment of fees. As a result, any Ethereum-based application must employ Ether coins to transmit application-specific tokens between users or between the app and the user. Fees must be paid to those who secure the network the same way as currency transactions require fees to be paid to those who secure the network. How are they distributed? Most crypto coins are distributed by mining, whereas tokens gain popularity through an initial coin offering or ICO. The majority of people consider crypto mining to be nothing more than a method of creating new coins. On the other hand, crypto mining entails validating Bitcoin transactions and adding them to a distributed ledger on a blockchain network. Most crucially, crypto mining prevents digital currency from being spent twice on a decentralized network. On the other hand, tokens are usually distributed this way through ICO. During the ICO, a portion of the tokens is sold. Some tokens are set aside for community activities like airdrops and marketing. Some tokens are held by the project's developers, while others are held for company development and expansion. And we've now reached the end of the video. We hope you've learned about the core differences between crypto coins and tokens. And we also hope that the examples we provided helped you get a clearer picture of them. If you're new around here, please subscribe so you will be updated with new videos on cryptocurrency like this one. We hope you learned some new things from this video and see you in the next one.